In this video, we'll be discussing about how to write an effective algorithm, the steps involved in writing an effective algorithm. So first step is you need to obtain the detailed information and the problem. First we need to analyze the problem, which means you have to collect the details about that particular problem. You need to research, and then the second step is analyzing the problem. Whatever the inputs given and the expected outputs, everything you need to analyze. Third one, you need to think of a problem solving approach, how that particular problem can be solved. For example, if it is a plus b, you need to add the inputs of that particular a and b variable, and you need to find the addition of that particular problem. So if you're not getting the expected output for this problem, you need to find some other problem solving approach that will be very effective. And then you need to review the problem solving approaches and try of a better alternative. You need to develop a basic structure of the algorithm. You need to roughly write down the points that are necessary for writing an algorithm, and then finally you need to optimize, improve and refine. You need to finally write down all the steps involved in that algorithm. So the characteristics of a good algorithm is input and output must be specified for sure. All the important steps to be followed, which means you should not skip or you should not mismatch any steps. It should be in a given order to solve that particular problem. Instruction must be perfectly ordered. It should be short and effective. Only finite number of steps are to be involved in writing an algorithm. So example of writing an algorithm. So addition of two numbers. Step 1 is start. You need to start, and then you need to declare the variables a, b and sum. Third one is you need to read the values of a and b. Fourth one is add the values of a and b and assign the result of variable to that sum. So you will be adding all this in the programming part, like you will be adding the value to the sum part, everything. So finally you need to end the algorithm. So this is the basic addition of two numbers. So in this way you will be writing an effective algorithm. So start, input and outputs are there, the expected result, the output values are there. It is ordered clearly. First the inputs are received, and then the addition operation is done. So you are ending this algorithm. So in this way an effective algorithm is written.